All right, just got off the phone with my son, Chad, and he helped me set them mixture screws, and it was running. So I am going to hook the wire back up to the coil, make sure everything's out of the way. Oh, I lost my connection down here at the positive. Ooh, these headers are hot now because I ran it for a bit. But anyway, we're going to see if we can get her to go again here. How about that? She's a runner, but she's a poppin' still. There we go. She runs. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah. He, like I said, he helped me set them mixture screws and told me hold the choke shut and she'll run. And that's exactly what happened. So that's cool. That's cool. We got a runner. Yeah. Thank you, son. Anyhow, just ran it for a minute. I got to put the valve covers back on. I pulled them off so I could make sure all the rockers was moving up and down. I did that yesterday, and I reset the points and double checked the timing again. So anyhow, we got a runner. So I'm no expert, but I know just enough to be dangerous. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Later.